Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to explain Chapter 2 Audio Systems Part 1. Learning outcomes of this topic are block diagram of CD player, and let's see the description of hardware components of CD player. So this is block diagram of CD player. So here the different blocks I have given: focus and radial tracking servo, then optical pickup assembly, clock circuit is also there. Then the signal from the AFM demodulator is connected to the control and display decoding, as well as forwarded to ERCO error correction or detection circuit. And in this way it produces the output which is forwarded to left and right channel of loudspeaker. Let's see the CD player explanation. Similar to other audio system, this system is also known as CLV, called as constant linear velocity system. Now the focus and tracking coil used to focus the laser beam to CD surface and move to assembly to proper track across the disc surface. Optical pickup assembly is used, which contains the audio signal on CD surface as a land and pits form. So this unit consists of photodiode array, prism, photodetectors and laser detectors, laser diode assembly in optical pickup unit. AFM demodulator, it separates the modulated data and timing signal from input. Also removes the additional coupling bits and convert the 14-bit EFM symbol to actual 8-bit data. So then amplified and filtered EFM signal is given to clock generation and ERCO circuit. ERCO circuit means error correction and detection circuit. So this modulated the data, demodulated data from EFM demodulator is sent to ERCO circuit. So as shown in figure. So this demodulated data signal sent to control and display the decoding circuit, which recovers the control and display signal multiplexed into the signal received from CD. Interpolation and muting. So ERCO circuit is used for error detection and correction purpose. So any error is there, then send it to interpolation and muting section by ERCO circuit. CLV, constant linear velocity circuit. It is used to maintain the velocity constantly and linearly of CD rotation motor. So ERCO compares the clock signal derived from the incoming data with reference to clock frequency. De-interleaving, so this is one of the technique for ERCO correction and detection we are using. So signal from this ERCO contains the audio signal in interlude from before doing any further operation. So it must be de-interleaved. So it is used to restore the original sequence of information. Another circuit is digital filter and demultiplexer. So de-interleaved and regenerate signal is then sent to digital filter and demultiplexer, where it is filtered and separated into left and right channel. So it removes the effect of sampling frequency from the data signal. Digital to analog converter. It converts a 16-bit digital signal to analog audio signal. So because of oversampling done in digital filter and demultiplexer circuit, a simple low pass filter is used. Loudspeaker, it converts audio signal into sound signal. So here two models have given. One is a top load CD player and another one is a front load CD player. CD components are CD optical pickup assembly, gear system, drive motors and DINSys. So this is a diagram for optical pickup assembly. In optical pickup assembly, low power diode, laser diode is used to eliminate CD tracks. So lens and prism arrangement is used, which are used to direct the laser beam to the CD surface and to direct the reflected laser beam towards the photodiode array. A photodiode array is used to data, focus and tracking signal from the reflected laser beam. So focus and tracking coils to focus the beam to the CD and to move the assembly to proper track across the disc surface. CD motors. So different types of motors are used in CD players. Tray loading, which is used to operate the tray where we place the CD. Slide feed motor is used. So this is used for the movement of optical pickup assembly. Spindle motor, disc motor or turntable motor is used to rotate the CD. So these are the pictures for these three motors. Gear system, so it is used to control the speed of motor and keeps the speed constant to cover the constant distance. Different lenses are used in CD player. One is a collimation lens, so parallel beams of laser has been transmitted towards a CD surface. So these lens together with the objective lens, which is used to focus the laser beam to the disc surface. Concave lens, in single beam linear optical block assembly, this concave lens is used to concentrate the laser beam reflected from the disc surface onto the photodiode array. So this lens is mainly used to improve the sensitivity of photodiode array. Objective lens, so before hitting the disc surface, laser beam comes out of assembly through an objective lens. So the objective lens is used to focus and laser beam onto the CD surface and to receive the reflected laser beam. So it is used to move up and down to achieve the focus of laser beam on the disc surface. Cylindrical lenses, the main function of this lens is used to enable the reflected beam from the CD to assist in creating the necessary signal to make sure that focus of laser beam on the playing surface of the disc is maintained. So when the beam is correctly focused, circular beam of light correctly focused on it will land on 4 photodiode elements. So if the beam becomes out of focus, the cylindrical lens will distort the beam elliptically. Thank you.